Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, third out of four. Not in today's newspaper. No, today it's actually a Wednesday, November the 24th, 2021. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Tuesday, November the 23rd, 2021. I've already solved these two puzzles. The 1 star and the 2 stars. Now it's time for the binary, and the last one will be a tectonic with 1 star. But first, boys and girls, number 3733. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this row, second row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And a no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Then. How about? Let me see. Between an O and a 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. And we have a double O here, overlooked. So here 1, there 1, and between a 1, between these 2 1s should be an O. Between 2 O's, there's always a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then I need to compare. Do I need to compare the rows or the columns? That's my question. Let me see. 101. This row and that row. 1 1 empty box 1 1. We need to switch these 2 digits. With an O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, I like this one. Yes, very quick to solve. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later for the last puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.